new file, here, new drawing, from design, change the sheet size to A4, okay, and then I will repeat the process and show all the parts. And I guess something I also forgot, so I guess orientation, top, scale 1:1, press it over here, okay, and something I forgot in the previous video, but you can always do, is to add a thickness. So we're gonna add a note and just click on this edge here, and I'm just gonna type thickness equals to 16 millimeters just to add that note, and then press close. All right, just close, and that's it. So of course I will see all dimensions. So to dimension this, don't forget. So this is 10. This is 12. Make sure it looks like the drawing that I give you. This is 25. You notice if you click here, this is not an angle that we did. So we'll click from this point to this point. This is the 100, right? Not click anything that we haven't shown. This is 30. This is 10. From this point to the bottom, this was a 38. This was 10. From here to here, it was 30. From this step to the bottom, it was 55. And from this step to the very bottom, it was 75. You can, of course, press escape and just move this so that it all fits. All right, and we still gotta do the part. So what is it from here to here? It was 20, and from this line to this line, it was 36. From this line to this line, the angle you can see if I move it at different angles. But in this case, this is 40. The circle itself, it's a 30 diameter, and if I click this line to the circle, you can see I get the 45 from one side, and from the bottom to the circle, there you go, I get the 45. And I think circle actually was supposed to be 40. So in this case, I think I made a mistake, so we can do that. So if we go back to over here to the part, so let's edit that. Edit sketch. So yeah, so I think this was actually 40. See, I forgot that. So we over here we finish, we save. All right, so change a dimension. All right, just to make that note. It's gonna update to version 3. All right, and now if I go back to my drawing, there's a warning. So I'm gonna click over here to update. So you see that little icon over here with the little triangle. So click on it, and you see it updated. It updated over here, and I can just move some of this stuff around. All right, and all right, so everything is populating. I can of course add the department, their date, and so on. It looks really good. I think it looks better than the one that I have. And we're missing one of the dimensions. And here we're missing this height. All right, we're missing this height. So zoom in a little bit. So this one is 8. And now let's add the other views, the perspective. In this case, will also be from the northeast isometric in a 1:1 in the corner. Okay. And once again, that one is in shaded and close. There we go. And now we save this figure part drawing, and once again click export, and you will submit this one as well. So we just have one more video. If you haven't done it, you have one more video to do this, and then that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, any doubts, hopefully this has helped you. But you can always email me or come to my office for help. All right, I'll see you in the next video.